Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must be an administrator and create a restore point before changing services. First, open services. MSC and find Windows Update and bits. These control download and install flow. Once located, stop each service to prevent conflicts while we prepare data. Make sure startup types are noted. You may need to return them to automatic or manual. This prevents accidental misconfiguration. While services are stopped, you'll remove cached update files and reset related components in the next step. With services halted, rename software distribution and cacheroot 2 to preserve a backup of cached metadata. This forces Windows to recreate clean folders. You should run the command sequence to stop WUSERV, bits, and crypts before renaming, otherwise files stay locked. After renaming, re-register critical DLLs used by Windows Update, then run DISM to repair image corruption and SFC to restore system files. Once those complete, you'll restart services and check Update Agent Health in the final slide. Now start the services you stopped and restore recommended startup types, setting Windows Update to automatic and bits to automatic or manual as required. Then open Settings Update and Security and check for updates. This triggers a fresh download using rebuilt folders. If updates still fail, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter to capture common issues. If that doesn't fix it, inspect CBS, log and DISM, logs for specific error codes, and search for those numbers to apply targeted fixes. That's usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.